Welcome to Module 5 of the YouTube Video Ads section of Video Ads Academy. This is the second module on research that covers the YouTube keyword tool. So I've highlighted here at the top, you can see it's youtube.com/keyword slash, underscore tool. Or you can just go to Google and type in YouTube keyword tool. You should be able to find it, or there may be a link somewhere that I've supplied near this video for you to be able to click the link. But basically, this tool, like I mentioned in the other research module, starting August 15th of 20, and this is 2014. The ability to generate ideas using this using YouTube video idea URL will be temporarily disabled. Okay, so eventually you won't even be able to use this tool. Now, what's cool about this tool, actually, you used to be able to enter a YouTube video ID, and it will pull back keywords for you. But it seems, as I've been using it recently, it doesn't really do that anymore. So there's really not a ton of uses for it other than just finding keywords that you can use that people are actually searching in YouTube that they may not be searching in Google or any other search engine or whatever keyword research tool you may already be using. The stuff people put in YouTube is a whole lot different from that, and so you have to keep that in mind. So I'm gonna put in, we keeping with our skincare theme, skincare, and I am going to click get keyword ideas. Now, the first time usually I run this, I don't check this box. You know, I only want to see data about what I enter, and then I wanted to show me new keywords, and then I can check this box, and it'll only show me based on what I put in. So the first time I usually don't check this, and I'll run it and I'll click get keyword ideas. Hang on, let me try that again. There we go. So it gives me all of these keywords, right? Now, I want you to remember in our previous research video, BUBZ Beauty, that is actually the name of a YouTube channel. Remember Michelle Phan? Same thing. Now, what I want you to notice here, 470,000 searches per month for Michelle Phan, who is supposedly, according to Google, very relevant to this particular niche. That is, I can tell you, and I can tell you this because I'm using this strategy. This is one of the most, like literally you can get these searches for pennies. Nobody is hardly advertising on these searches. So if it's enough volume, and sometimes they'll say monthly search is 470, and you're running and you're not getting the kind of volume you think you would get on 470,000 searches. So typically what I would do is use this particular keyword, run it, see if I'm getting searches. If I'm getting a search volume that's worthy of it, I'll go and create an ad that's more tailored to someone who's possibly looking for this Michelle Phan. I might not necessarily use her name because you don't really want to get into that. But what you can do is you can really go and look at her channel and find out some things on her channel that people do, maybe the way she talked to her fans. Some of these people with these huge followings like this, their fans have like names or whatnot. So you take information from that and you will build an ad, and siphon off, people that's searching for it. Again, it's BUBZ Beauty. People are searching for this on YouTube. They probably not typing this into Google. They could be. You would have to double check. But most of the time when I check these same type of deals here, they don't type these into Google themselves. Okay, but again, that's a really cool strategy that you can just exploit right now. But as you can see, it gives you makeup tutorial. That sounds like a good one. What is this? Origins. I don't know what that is. BB cream, Michael Jackson. That's weird. And you get some of those from time to time. That's weird. Haul, like that don't make sense. I don't get that. Okay. Beauty. Lots of searches on beauty. You'll probably run into some competition on that one. And basically you just go through and pick out, the ones that you like, that you think fit, and you just click add. Like if I wanted to do BZ Beauty, I just click add, and it'll add it to this little list. And once you're done, you can download these to a text file or a CSV, Excel. And then what I would do, once I got there, maybe I save this other one here real quick. What is it? Michelle Fan. Then what I would do is I would check this box and then see what it gives me. So it only gives me skincare. So I might add that, and I'll uncheck it again, and I'll go back to, let's say, skincare. Okay, and next thing I might do is I might take some of the keywords I found out of the first research module that I showed you. I would take some of those keywords, like dry skin was one of them. And I would plug dry skin in and see what I come up with. And all of these are saying not enough data, not enough data. And don't let that fool you. Just because it says not enough data, it doesn't mean that there's not a lot of searches there. YouTube might just not be pulling that information back. Then the other thing I can show you is you can do like exact match, and I can go back in and I can put skincare in and get an idea of what's the exact match volume for skincare, and it says not enough data. But an exact match Michelle Fan is 394,000 monthly, which is pretty daggone good. Same thing with BZ Beauty is 91,000. So I would probably do these. I would probably do an exact match of that and an exact match of Michelle Fan. And then if I see some other ones that I like that got some volume, skin I might do. It's an exact match. It's getting 10,000, so that's a good amount of searches. Rihanna skin. Maybe they want their skin to look like Rihanna's. Skin Rihanna. These people want to look, they like Rihanna's skin, and it's probably, great targeting. And then this Juicy Star 07, I don't know what that is, but what I would do is I would look that up. So I might just copy that, and I might jump over here to YouTube. I think, see if I scroll up to the top, it'll take me to YouTube. And I'm going to pop this in and hit search Juicy Star 07. As you can see, somebody's bidding on these because I'm seeing ads right here, right? But Juicy Star 07, okay, this is a channel that has 1.6 million views, okay? So I'm going to go check this channel out and see what this is about. She's into fitness and workouts and updates. And okay, and then I'll go to like videos. And I can see other videos, how to fancy. She making a ponytails, and okay, so this is probably relevant to the people that I'm targeting who want, skincare beauty products, right? And then you can look over here again, and you got Michelle Fan. She's showing up again. Bubs Beauty, BUBZ Beauty, however you pronounce that. Bethany Moda, same names keep popping up, right? So this is stuff you can you can use and take advantage of. You also got these other featured channels up here, okay, that you want to look into as well. But that's another thing you can look at when you notice a weird search like that. Like it's not like skincare, like help me, skincare tips or nothing, something like that. It's Juicy Star 07. Like who, like why would that have that much? And that's exact match, by the way. Have that much volume on an exact match. That's something you want to look at because that's probably an opportunity for you to exploit for you to exploit something. Makeup tutorial, and sometimes you might even find some keywords like makeup to 252,000 exact match searches per month. If I got an offer, I might have to try to put an offer in front of that. 252,000. It's pretty good. I would probably save that. DIY, do it yourself. Here's another one. Barbie 34. I don't know what that is. Okay, no, that ain't it. Carly Bell 55. I bet you that's a YouTube channel. You want to go look at that. Xtina, I don't know what that is. Beauty, obviously that makes sense. Hair tutorials. Origin skincare. Oh, so that's what Origins is. Oh, I'm putting the wrong haul. I see Origins skincare, and up here I see something that says Origins with 12,400. So that's probably why this Origins is coming up. There must be some type of name, of a product or something like that. So these are the kind of ideas you want to look at, and you get all of this stuff and you can just do a lot of great research. And that's basically how I'm using this tool right now. I build me some keywords that I can use in my search campaigns. Mostly I use this for search. You can probably also apply this to display, campaigns as well. But mainly I'm using this to create my search keyword list that I'm going to be doing with YouTube search campaigns. That's basically how I use the tool. Again, if you're watching this video after August the 4th, 2014, this tool probably doesn't exist anymore. So I don't know if there'll be something else, but this video will probably be obsolete for you at that time. But hopefully by then I'll have something else. I've been creating an update for you to show you something that maybe replaces what this tool does. Okay, well that's pretty much it for this. And then the next video I have is another research module where I'm going to kind of walk you through how I go and look at YouTube itself to really get some ideas of how I want to, create my campaign. So you would take this information and save it, store it in a folder somewhere, because ultimately you're going to need it when you get ready for your campaign. So I'll see you in the next video.